Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I will explain you the next topic of lesson number 5 and the topic is Mahavir Swami. There are total 24 Tirthankars in Jainism. Agams are the main source of knowledge about Jainism. The first Tirthankar was Rishabdev Adinath in Jainism. The 23rd Tirthankar was Parshavnath. After Parshavnath, the 24th and the last Tirthankar of Jainism was Mahavir Swami. Mahavir Swami was born in Gnatrak Kshatriya dynasty of Kundagram, Republic State of Vaji Union. Now the next topic is Mahavir Swami early life. Mahavir Swami was born in Gnatrak Kshatriya dynasty of Kundagram, Republic of Vaji Union. His childhood name was Vardhman. His father Siddharth was the king of the republic. Mahavir Swami's mother name was Trishla Devi. His elder brother's name was Nandivardhan. Like Gautam Buddha, Mahavir Swami was also a prince. Thus, he acquired knowledge of many arts. He was married to Princess Yashoda. His daughter's name was Priyadarshini. Children, you can see 5.2 picture of Mahavir Swami. Now, next topic is leaving home and sadhana. He left home at the age of 30 years in search of knowledge. He lived life as a bhikshuk, means beggar, and did a harsh penance for 12 years. On the bank of river Rijupalika, he attained the highest knowledge, that is Keval Gyan. As he conquered his mind and sense, he was called Jin. Such great mighty Vardhman came to be known as Mahavir. Next topic, preachings. Like Buddha, Mahavir Swami too believed that the world is full of fear and sorrows. He rejected God's existence. His teachings are known as doctrine of Triratna. He preached the following 5 vows. Number 1. Non-violence. Mahavir Swami believed that violence is one of the biggest evil of human society. There should not be violence of any kind. Even the smallest creature has the right to live. Even mental violence should not be done. Protecting animals is the real duty of human beings. Number 2. Truth. We should never speak lies. We should not speak without thinking or understanding. We should abstain anger to follow the truth. The truth should always be followed in every situation. Number 3. Stay. Theft is the biggest evil. We should not take anybody's things without his or her permission. Entering anybody's house without permission is also like stealing. By saying so, he tried to keep the society of that time away from stealing. Number 4, non possessiveness. Man should not store goods, possessions, ornaments, or clothing beyond their requirement. Keeping the things as per requirement reduces collection instincts in a person, and things like grain reach up to the poor people. This was his important message. Number 5, Brahmacharya. He specifically told Jain monks and nuns to observe celibacy. Next topic, Mahavir Swami as a great reformist. Mahavir Swami opposed ritual and sacrifice. He rejected presence of God. He condemned animal sacrifice in the yagna. He said that the woman should be given equal rights. Like Buddha, he too preached in people's language, that is Prakrit and Ardhomagdi. With this simple and easy teaching, he changed people's lives. Nirvana. He died in Pavapuri at the age of 72. In this way, about 2500 years ago, people got new ideas. Religious rituals and defilement were removed. People became his followers in a large number. Both preachers obliged people to adopt the path of peace and virtue. Thus, they promoted the virtue in the society. Now, children, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.